Hi, I just want to give you guys a live look of the Noorio B200 security camera. It's a wireless outdoor and it's 1080p home security camera. It's wired free battery powered Wi-Fi camera. It's color night vision with built-in spotlight, all motion detection, and it 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 doesn't take long to set up either. Like no more than a few minutes. You download the app, and it's very straightforward. Easy to set up. I even like this. It sits on here. It's like magnetized, not screwed in or anything, and it's held on weight, and it's got some weight to it. You can see magnets sticking already. Or you can wall mount it. You know. It's got this, even a marker, to get the right screws, and all that's handy. Yeah, I like it, and I think it gives off enough clear picture for me. I had the lights kind of dimmed, and I didn't have the light on. I like for the camera, and I think it's a great value, and I just wanted to give you a quick live look of it, and I'll turn it around. I'll take this out. It just sits back on, and here it is. When you set it up, you just press this button in for 2 seconds whenever you're putting the turner on, but she'll tell you, it's pretty straightforward. And alrighty, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening. And one thing I forgot to mention, the camera is waterproof. You could use it indoor or outdoor, so that's always great. But yeah, it's no hidden fees, up to 3,000 footage, and used as indoor camera. Place, like, it's just indoor, outdoor. Like, I think it's convenient. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or great evening, and thanks for watching my video review, and hopefully this was helpful for you.